Hi everyone, I'm Michelle.
And I'm David.
We've released an update to ExplorOz Traveller that introduces monthly online map viewing thresholds. In this video we'll explain what's changed, what hasn't, and how you can stay within those limits. For most users nothing changes. 85% of people are already within those limits. But if you use a lot of satellite and street map, then this video will help you understand how it works.
Behind the scenes, satellite and street maps come from third-party providers. We pay for those maps based on how many tiles are viewed. Heavy satellite browsing has been exceeding our monthly infrastructure allowance. So instead of removing the features or raising prices across the board, we've introduced fair usage thresholds and added tools so that you can manage them easily.
Let's break it down simply. For standard app users, non-members, each month you'll receive 5,000 online EO-Topo tiles and 1,000 satellite and street tiles combined. Your allocation resets at the start of each month. If you exceed your online EO-Topo limit, the app will automatically switch to offline EO-Topo.
For members, it's different. Members receive unlimited online EO-Topo tiles and 5,000 satellite and street tiles per month. That's 5 times the satellite allocation for standard users. Again, this resets monthly.
Now here's the important part, what actually consumes tiles. It's opening satellite or street maps and zooming around large areas. Each zoom level loads dozens if not hundreds of tiles. And the larger your screen, like a head unit or a computer, the more tiles display at once.
Here's the smart way to use satellite maps. Step 1, use offline EO-Topo first. Zoom in, locate the area, find the track or campsite. Offline EO-Topo uses 0 online tiles. Step 2, once you've already zoomed in close, now switch to satellite. Now you're only loading a small number of tiles. That simple behaviour change dramatically reduces usage. You still get the detail, you just use it more efficiently. At 75% of your allocation, you'll see a subtle message on screen letting you know you're nearing your limit. You can then check your usage in your user account screen. You'll see a clear progress bar showing online EO-Topo usage and satellite street usage combined. Satellite and street are grouped together because they use the same infrastructure provider and share data layers. At 100% usage, if you have offline EO-Topo installed, the app will automatically switch to offline EO-Topo. At the same location and zoom level, it's seamless and you can continue navigating or browsing. If you don't have EO-Topo offline downloaded, map viewing will pause until either the new month starts or you download offline EO-Topo or purchase a tile pack for online use.
For users who genuinely need heavy satellite usage, we've created tile packs. These are not monthly allocations, they're bundles you purchase and use until depleted. Available in packs of 25,000 tiles or 100,000 tiles. You purchase these instantly through the app in-app purchasing system. But most people won't need these if they use offline EO-Topo first or upgrade to membership. We've designed this to be fair, sustainable and transparent. Once you understand how tiles work, it's very easy to stay within your limits. Thanks for watching.